COVID-19 cases have continued to surge in India, especially in the state of Maharashtra, with Mumbai on Friday recording 3,063 positive cases and 10 deaths reported in 24 hours. India reported 40,953 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, 23,653 recoveries, and 188 deaths in the last 24 hours, as per the Union Health Ministry. In light of the sharp rise in numbers, the BMC is now aiming to test 50,000 people on a daily basis, while several new curbs have been introduced to bring down the numbers. Super spreader events like weddings might have led to the recent resurgence of COVID-19 cases in India, a preliminary assessment by the union government suggests, adding that people were found becoming less careful in the recent months when the daily cases were low. The unseemly departure of two renowned intellectuals, Pratap Bhanu Mehta and Arvind Subramaniam from Ashoka University, Sonepat, in the past few days over a shrinking free speech space at the institution has sparked a collective howl of disappointment from academics the world over. From Raghuram Rajan to Milan Vaishnav, the global intelligentsia is recoiling from what they term a dangerous attack on academic freedom. Free speech is the soul of a great university. By compromising on it, the founders have bartered away its soul, the former Reserve Bank of India chief has said. Raghuram Rajan, economist and professor at the University of Chicago Booth School of Business, wondered what motivated Ashoka's founders to remove their hitherto laudable protection. Ashoka's founders have succumbed to outside pressure to get rid of troublesome critic, he surmised in a LinkedIn post. For how many generations would reservation in job and education continue? The Supreme Court sought to know during the Maratha quota case hearing on Friday and raised concerns over the resultant inequality in case the overall 50% limit was to be removed. A 5-judge constitution bench headed by Justice Ashok Bhushan was vehemently told by senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, appearing for Maharashtra, that the Mandal judgment on capping the quota needed a relook in changed circumstances. He said the courts should leave it to the states to fix reservation quota in view of the changed circumstances, and the Mandal judgment was premised on census of 1931. U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd James Austin III commended the India-U.S. partnership in addressing challenges facing across Indo-Pacific region on Saturday. Great meeting with NSA Dole last night. The breadth of collaboration between our two nations reflect the significance of our major defense partnership as we work together to address the most pressing challenges facing the Indo-Pacific region. This is what U.S. Secretary of Defense said. Austin arrived in India as a part of his three-nation first overseas tour as the Defense Secretary. He visited Japan and South Korea before arriving in New Delhi. US President Joe Biden in Atlanta on Friday to console the Asian American community following a series of grisly killing told citizens not to be complicit and to take action to prevent race-related violence. Silence is complicity. We cannot be complicit. We have to speak out and we have to act, Biden said in a speech at Emory University, urging Americans to fight what he called a resurgence of xenophobia. Minutes earlier, the President and Vice President Kamala Harris met leaders of Georgia's Asian American community in the wake of 8 people, including 6 women of Asian descent, being shot dead at massage parlors in Atlanta area. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our super supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.